And that's called a gimbal?
Yeah, that's the gimbal.
Alright, like a gyroscope. No? I could see the blades individually on this. So that's what it's seeing. Can it face down to see us?
Yeah, 1 second.
Tilt it down. Oh, it's too much over our head.
No, see, I'll show you. I've got to tilt the camera down.
Alright, yeah.
There we go.
And there we are. There's our bald heads. Go on then, bring it close. And it stops there, yeah.
I'll do another one.
Can you loop the loop? Yeah, you loop it. Can you loop the loop? Yeah, you loop it. Whoa. It stops from crashing, does it?
Huh?
It won't crash.
Sport,
Yeah. Oh, that's more like it now.
Now we can see.
Oh, that looks more fun.